Sunday at Smokin' US 30 Drag Strip.
Watch the best rear-engine field dragsters in the country try to push their brute machines into the magic 5-second elapsed time barrier.
From Michigan, Tim Arnold's Fierce Hallucination Fueler.
From Ohio, John Hilton's Motion Maker rear-engine field dragster.
From LaGrange, Illinois, it's Gary Dye's LaGrange Dodge Dragster.
From Detroit, see John McNew's Savage Fueler Rampage.
From Chicago, John Sinibaldi's Super Fad 230-mile-per-hour Scarlet Fever.
Plus from Missouri, the tough team of Hurst and Pryor.
Plus, over 100 entries compete for the Great Pro Stock and Run Tough Eliminator Cash Awards.
Smokin' US 30 Drag Strip is located south of Gary, 2 miles east of Interstate 65 on Highway US 30.
15 and under free with age ID.
Spectator admission only $3.
Be trackside 1:30 Sunday for all the excitement and enjoyment of the Wild Fuel Dragster competition. Sunday at Smokin' US 30 Drag Strip.
Where the great ones run.